I've been trading for 17 years, but I never expected it would lead to this, my own mansion. And honestly, it wouldn't have been possible without you or the gold trading strategy I'm about to share. I'm on a 7-trade win streak. I'm generating over 1,000 pips every week in 2026, and my trading strategy consists of only 3 simple concepts. So let me teach you what's working for me with personal live trade examples, and I've also hidden 6 free VIP codes throughout the video, so keep your eye out on those and let's dive in. It all starts with concept 1, support and resistance zones. I want to see price explode out of an area and then box that area up. This level right here becomes my support. Historical price showed me that buyers held this area in the past, so I can buy from this exact same area, and if the price holds, I can smash my take profit. And the same thing goes for sell examples. I want to see the price push out of an area. I want to box that area up as a level of resistance, and then I want to see price come back to that level of resistance. And when it comes back to that level of resistance, if the sellers are able to hold that level again, then the price can push down and smash my take profit again. Now, for a very long time on gold, these levels were holding incredible. My support wins, my resistance wins, my support wins, my resistance wins. I was in buy only mode. I would buy every time the price came down, buying every single pullback that I saw in the markets, hitting over 1,000 pips almost every single trade. But since closing below the 200 period EMA in March, there's been much more market manipulation, and I'm sure you've felt it too. Now, I've figured out how to keep winning even in these bad gold market conditions. But before I get into the next concept, tell me why you like trading gold. For your chance to win free access to my VIP trading room, which is currently on a 7-trade win streak as I'm filming this video. Gold's been in an incredible uptrend for the last 3 years, making it easy to be in buy only mode. Now, for the first time since October 2023, prices closing below the 200 period moving average, so you can't blindly just hit buy anymore. But even with this dramatic market shift, I'm still on a huge win streak in my gold VIP room with a win rate over 70% because my ultimate gold trading strategy works for me. Now it's time for concept 2, the most important, liquidity. Let's go to today's market. We're currently in a downtrend below the 200 period EMA on the 5-minute time frame. That's the time frame where I look for my trade entries, and I'm looking for levels of resistance because I want to sell this market. We're in a downtrend, right? And we just got a level of resistance right here. At this point, it wasn't a level of resistance. It became a level of resistance when we had the second push right here. First push, second push. So at this point, I'm just waiting for price to come back to that level to get into a sell position. Pull that resistance over, set up a short position. I put my stop loss above the level right here, and I'd look to target this level of demand right here for a solid trading position. And when we play that out, you can see I get stopped out, and then the price runs down to take profit. And if you've been trading gold lately, you're seeing this a lot. The stop out and then the run down to profit. Nothing is more frustrating. But all we're looking at here is a very simple liquidity sweep. That's because above obvious levels of resistance like this is where traders are resting their stop losses. And the big institutions will push the price into that stop loss area and then use all of your losses in order to push the price down further so that they are getting filled at the price they like. Look, let me illustrate this a little bit easier with a drawing. Right here, we have our very obvious level of resistance. So traders are setting their stop losses up here and getting ready for a sell position. But the big institutions know that the stop losses are up here, and this is resting liquidity that the institutions can use to get a better price. It's called an order ladder. So instead of getting into the trade right here, bank is going to push a price up here. They're going to take the stop losses so that they can get into their orders right here. Because their orders are so big, they need your orders in order to get the price they want, or else they'd be getting a price here and pushing it down and getting a price here and not being able able to get all of their orders filled at the price they really wanted. And we are seeing a ton of this manipulation in gold right now. So before I get into my trades, I am always waiting to see this sweep first. Now, before I get into concept 3, look at the results for yourself. I only get about 1 losing trade every single month using my gold trading strategy. And in June, I'm getting even better. So now let's get into the third concept, which is trade entry confirmation. And I'm using basically the exact same setup 4 months in my VIP gold trading room during this current hot winning streak. So what's the first thing that I'm doing? You already know I'm setting up my level of support. And then I'm looking for a liquidity sweep, right? That's our stop losses right below that level right there. So what happens? We get the sweep. Perfect. Exactly what we want to see. And for my next trick, I'm going to take a trend line. Yes, I use trend lines just like this. I want to get the trend line at the highest level and then at the pullback. Okay, that's what I want to see. And then I need to see that trend line get broken. That's where I can enter my trading position. And ideally, that break comes on a big candle right there. If you watch the last video with the ATR candle, you could use that indicator. Now, if we go into my VIP gold room, you can see I sent this trade at 544. We hit the take profit right here at 638 for 1,971 pips. So if we go back to the chart and we play that position out, you could see right here, price pushes up and smashes the take profit perfectly. As for my take profit, I targeted this obvious level of resistance and I had my stop loss down here. I think I put it a little bit too low. I could have put it below this wick right here and had a better risk reward. Now, every trade I've had in the last couple months looks exactly like this. Here's the trade I showed you. Then here was the next trade. I left quite a bit on the table here. Then here was another trade and another trade. And then there was 2 more winning trades from this week that will help you master this gold trading strategy. Let's jump into those right now. Now, before I go into those 2 live examples from this week, I do want to clear up the trend line. I don't think I was very clear in the last part of the video, so I just want to show you exactly what I'm doing with trend lines. I'm simply marking from the swing high, catching the pullback right there, and then putting the trend line. So the bottom is the swing low. I catch 1 or 2 pullbacks, and I draw the line like this. In a downtrend, the same thing, catch that pullback, put the line like this. Then I simply want price to break over, either down or up to confirm the trading position. This tells me that the minor uptrend is over and we can push down, or the minor downtrend is over and we can push up. So now it's time to master the strategy and avoid losses. The first thing I'd be doing here would be marking up a level of support, just so I know where the market is trading from currently. Then I'm going to just let the market play out and see if I could find myself an opportunity, okay? And we definitely have an opportunity right now. So at this level right here, we have a new area of resistance, okay? And I'm gonna pull that all the way over here. You can see we came up to this level, we consolidated a little, and we pushed down. Now, it's not a great resistance level, but it's enough for me. Next thing I'm doing is drawing my trend line. I mark it from the bottom of the swing up like this. So this is the swing low here. We pushed up, we pulled back. That's the next level. We have now pushed up, and what we're seeing here is liquidity get pulled out of the market right there, okay? Now, this is a big sweep. There's a lot of consolidation here. Normally, I'm looking at just 1 or 2 candles, but this still works. And again, this was a trade that I sent to the VIP trading room. So let's zoom in a little bit exactly what happened. We got the aggressive break with a big candle. That's what I wanted to see. And then I waited for a little bit of a pullback back into this area because this was my resistance area, right? This was the area I believed would push the price down. So I entered the trading position right there. It went down, smashed my take profit. Really, really simple stuff. And let's continue on here because I have a trade happening the next day as well. Let's go ahead and see what's going on. So we had the level set up, right? And let's set up our next level up here, right? So this is now our trading range, right? You can see price is trading within this range. It looks like this support level is starting to hold again as well. So let's pull that over. And that's just going to help me analyze what the market is doing and what I want to be doing with my trading opportunities, right? Generally, I want to be selling when the price is up here, buying when the price is down here, but we have been in a downtrend. So I've been looking more for sells right now based on just current market conditions. So what do we have right here? We have exactly what we want. Now this setup is even better than the last one. We have our level of resistance, right? Look, price is consolidating. It pushed out of this area. Again, not an aggressive push. That's just fine. I have my trend line. I mark it right here, and then I pull it up here, right? We want to get as many touches as possible. We start at the first swing, pushes up, we pull back, we hit the second swing, and then look what happens. We pull up right here. We take liquidity out of the markets, and then I'm looking to get into the trading position. Right there, I tapped in, sent that trade to about 1,000 traders in the gold trading room. Price pushed down, smash a take profit. Absolutely perfect. And these are low stress trades. Look, there's very little drawdown here whatsoever. And this is all just 3 steps. You set up the support and resistance, you watch for liquidity, and then you get that trend line break and you're into. And that's my gold trading strategy right now for this summer. If you like it, like the video, comment, subscribe. Consider joining my VIP trading room. The link's in the video description. Watch this video right here. Definitely watch this video right here, and I'll be back next week. Much love.